Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming battery health and immediate drains. Open battery settings to see percent health and charge cycles. This tells you whether software fixes will help. Once done, force close or uninstall the worst offenders and disable background app refresh for apps you rarely use. Next, lower brightness to around 40% and set auto lock to 30 seconds or 1 minute to prevent wasted screen on time. These quick steps cut idle drain noticeably and prepare you for deeper tweaks. Now you focus on system-level adjustments that reduce continuous power use. Update the operating system and apps so you get the newest battery optimizations. Stalled updates can cause wake locks. Then change mail to fetch every 15 or 30 minutes or set it to manual. Push wakes the device frequently. Make sure Bluetooth is off when not needed, prefer Wi-Fi over cellular, and remove battery-hungry widgets. Together, these cut background radio and sensor drain, letting your battery last significantly longer between charges. Finish by calibrating and choosing fallback options. Charge fully, then use the device until about 5% and recharge to 100%. This helps the system report capacity more accurately. Enable low power mode under 20% to extend runtime, and if battery health shows under 80%, plan a replacement. If you still see rapid drain, reboot the device, boot to safe mode to isolate apps, or reset settings. Those steps reveal whether the issue is software or requires a hardware.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.